Good morning, church. Welcome to our daily devotion insight. Today, I want to share with you about managing your emotion. Manage your emotion. In Colossians chapter 2, verse 3, it says this: In whom are hidden all the treasures of wisdom and knowledge. In whom are hidden all the treasures of wisdom and knowledge. Manage your emotions. Church, we all have emotions, but we must learn to manage our emotion. Emotions can be positive, emotion can also be negative. They can make us feel wonderful and or awful. They are a central part of human being, and that's fine. There's nothing wrong with that. Unfortunately, most people do what they feel like doing, say what they feel like saying, buy what they feel like buying, eat what they feel like eating. And that is not fine, because feelings are not wisdom. Feelings are fickle. They change frequently and without notification. Since feelings are unreliable, we must not direct our lives according to how we feel. Now, the fact of the matter is, if we all have to admit, including myself, we do as we feel. We direct our life according to how we feel. You can be aware of your feelings and acknowledge their legitimacy without necessarily acting on them. We know, oh, I don't feel this way, I don't feel that way, I don't feel right, I don't feel good, I don't feel like not buying this and not spending money on that. It's nothing wrong with the feeling, but we do not have to be controlled by the feelings. Are you with me? That's what it means here. And God has given us wisdom, and we should walk in wisdom and not based on our emotion. Because if we were to live and walk according to our emotion, we will end up getting ourselves into a whole lot of problems in life, and we will regret later. Sometimes we say, I feel like eating this, I feel like eating that, I feel like doing this, I feel like doing that. At the end of the day, we make a mess of everything in our lives. We must never be controlled and moved by feelings and emotion. You got it? Healthy emotions are very important, because healthy emotion helps us recognize how we truly feel and what we truly value. All right? Good emotional health is vital for a good life. We have to be strong and healthy emotionally if we want to live a good life. But a good life also means we are able to manage our emotion and not be managed by our emotion. One more time. Good emotion is vital for a good life. You know why? Because good life means that we are able to manage our emotion and not our emotion manage us. Negative emotion are two different things altogether. Negative emotions such as anger, unforgiveness, worry, anxiety, fear, resentment, bitterness. You know what they do? They can cause many physical illnesses, and by raising our stress level to level that's beyond us to handle. So therefore, we are to manage our emotion and not let our emotion manage us. Many times in life, really, I've seen all these years, we'll allow our emotion to handle us. Therefore, we have relational conflicts. We have misunderstanding with people. Therefore, we overeat, we overspend, we overinvest, we overdo this and overdo that in life. It causes a havoc in our life. It seems to me that most people in our society today are mad. The ones who aren't are sad. Thank God we no longer have to be like most people. The Bible tells us God doesn't want anyone to be a slave to the emotion. We don't have to be a slave to our emotion. And to manage our emotion and our lives, We need to ask God for His wisdom instead of trusting in our emotion or feelings. One more time. In order to manage our emotion and our life, we really need to ask God, for His wisdom instead of trusting our feeling. We need to ask God, if I were to do this, I feel like doing this. If I were to do this, is it good? Is it right? Is it proper? Is it helpful for me? Will it benefit me at the end of the day? The more stable our emotions are, the healthier we will be in life. We all want to enjoy good health. We all want to enjoy good life. And I strongly encourages you to trust God to help you learn. Learn what? Learn to manage your emotion. Learn to manage our emotion so that our emotion will not manage us and dictate every part, everything that we do, everything we say, and however we want to speak. Trust God to lead you with wisdom. Don't merely follow your emotion, and God will always lead you to a good place when you learn to ask God for wisdom. Let me close with this. At the start of the day, whatever people say, whatever may come along your way, whatever exchange of words there may be or comment that people put on you, whatever that may not be so good to happen around you or you face in your life, you know what? First of all, tell yourself this one thing: I will not respond based on my emotion, but God, give me the wisdom to learn to face my day and handle the day well. Why? Because negative emotion will always cause you and I to respond negatively. So don't live by feelings and emotion, but live the day with wisdom that comes from God. Amen? So you know what, church? Manage your emotion as you go out today to work. You just tell yourself, I'm going to learn to manage my emotion. I'm going to submit to God and have wisdom to live my life and to live it well for the day. Amen? So God bless you and you have a great day. Amen.